Hi, are you looking for someone to help you with getting microlocs in Copenhagen, Denmark? Then you have come to the right place. My name is Ann-Marie Christell and I'm a professional loctician, and I've been doing dreadlocks professionally for over 26 years now. I offer microlocs in many different services. So I can create microlocs on your own hair. I can maintain your microlocs. I can create dreadlocks with extensions in microlocs, and I can create synthetic dreadlocks in a microloc form. And I can also extend your microlocs. I think that's all the different services that I offer. I also do microlocs on all different types of hair. Some people think that it only can be done on curly, kinky, afro-textured hair, but that's not true. Even if you have fine, thin, Caucasian, Scandinavian hair, or you have thicker hair, microlocs is just a smaller form of a dreadlock, a lock, or whatever name that it is that you're using for this term of dreaded matted hair. I work in a holistic, natural way. For me, it is important to look at the whole aspect when you come and get your hair done by me. For me, it's very important to get an understanding of who you are, what your lifestyle is, what it is that you're expecting when it comes to your hair, so that I can help you in the best way to get the hair or make the hair that it is that you're dreaming of and meet the expectations that you have. And I want to set you up for success so that you get an understanding of how you can take care of the hair, how you should, maybe how often you should maintain your microlocs, and how you can take care of them at home so that you will feel amazing. And that you start to live the best life that you possibly can with your microlocs. Under this video, you have a little bit information about how I create microlocs on both on your own hair or with extensions. Normally, when I do microlocs, I use extensions because most of my clients wish to have those for longer hair. But I can also do microlocs only on your own hair. I can extend your microlocs as well, or create dreadlocks with extensions, both with human hair and a high quality synthetic fiber hair. I also offer creating dreadlock extensions and send them to you. And if you want to order those and you actually want to install them yourself, I also offer an extra service where I actually teach you how you can install them on your own hair if you are the person that really likes to do things yourself and you want to have some one-on-one guidance by me. More information about this, please reach out to me and let me know what your hair is now and what your dream is and how we can make that happen. If you want to learn how to do all of these services, I also offer in-person classes, also can be offered in Copenhagen, Denmark. And I also have an online course where I teach all of this as well. And it really depends on what type of person you are, if you need that extra hands-on guidance, or if you are the person that want to do things online by yourself. But more information about that can be found here under this video. If you have found this video on YouTube, I have the links to my website where you can find all the information about this. When I take on a new client, I always invite my new clients to have a video call with me so that I can have a chat with you and see your hair in person, and also so that I can get an understanding of what your dream hair is. And in this way, just sitting down talking with you, it is easier for me to set everything up for your appointment so that we can create an amazing experience for you. Creating microlocs can take a very long time. Usually I pre-make the dreadlock extensions for your hair. I want to be aware that you will be with me for a full day. I always finish the hair in one day, but I want you to be aware of that I will never know exactly what time we are finished in the evening. And this is if you are just having your dreadlocks done, microlocs, or if we are doing dreadlocks with extensions in microlock form, or we are extending your microlocs as well. So don't book anything in the evening to do. I want it to be open so that I can take the time to actually create this hair without stress and being in the moment without needing to rush. And in this way, you will have a better experience while I create this hair for you. If you have any questions for me, don't hesitate to reach out. You have all the contact information down below. And if I don't have any dates for when I will be in Denmark the next time, please reach out to me and I will put you on the waiting list and will let you know when I have my next trip booked. If you have any questions about microlocs, about your hair and how we can make your dream hair a reality, don't hesitate to reach out. You have all my contact information down below, and I'm looking forward to hear from you. And bye for now.